Hello, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. My name is Marisol Fus, ambassador of this month, and our presenter for tonight. It's the first time for her to present this business. She's Imelda Shelke, and she wants to retire her job as soon as possible and go back home for good. And she wants to have a small eatery in the Philippines and build her business there. And she saw the great opportunity in global world trade that can fulfill all her dreams and what she really wants in her life. So we're gonna call our presenter tonight, Imelda Shilke. Are you there? Imelda Shilke, are you with us?
Yes.
Good, great. And how are you?
Fine.
Okay, great. You can start now for your presenter. Go.
So, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. My name is Imelda Schilke, luxury consultant in Germany. I want to share with you tonight the business opportunity. Company profile, founded in 2005 by Ramin Mesgalo in Ottawa, Ontario. 5 heads office expansions, moved headquarters from Ottawa to Toronto in 2008. Debt-free, multi-million-dollar corporation, serving clients in over 90 countries with 45,000 luxury consultant and VIP clients. Canada's largest designer fashion house with a manufacturing heritage dating back to the 1880s. The next is our mission statement: to become the #1 fashion brand in the world, whilst providing a lifelong opportunity for entrepreneurs to build significant wealth and to create 100 million, 1,000 millionaires by 2025. So, what makes us unique? We utilize direct sales, distribution, and word of mouth marketing. The bulk of the profits are passed on to our luxury consultants. Media accolades. GBT and its brands are featured in American Business Journal, Canadian Business Journal, Canadian Jeweler Magazine, Viva International Magazine, Network Marketing Business Journal, Prepaid Magazine, Regards Magazine, Networking Times, Women and Wealth Magazine, Prestige Magazine, City TV Magazine. Saan yun? Wala na ko eh. City TV Special, TIFF 2010 and 2011, Business for Home Organization, Emmy Awards 2013, and many more. Celebrities. Ferry is a favorite Among many Hollywood celebrities, celebs have been spotted wearing fairy designer lines on the red carpet as well as in their everyday lives. Product philosophy. Quality versus quantity. If it exists, make it better. If it doesn't exist, create it. Ramin Mesgarlo, founder, creating timeless designs to cater to a worldwide market. High margins, high retail profits for our consultants. Versatile, price points from super economical to super rich. Our brand's fashionable posh. Ladies fashion jewelry, men's jewelry and accessories line. Entry-level product line created to access 99% of the world markets with lower price points. $25 to $270. Second brand, our luxurious Fairy. Widest selection of designer products with over 1,000 SKUs. 950 Ceridium handbags, Marses, timepieces, shoes, shields, optical, belts, and other accessories. Our brand's the prestigious Fairy Moss, exclusive ultra luxury flagship line. 19K special product and bridal. 21K prestige collection, exotics collection, and opulence wear. Handmade pieces with all handset, precious stones. Genuine exotic leathers and Italian Napa leather. Distribution. All products are sold and shipped from the Canadian head office and drop shipped to clients by FedEx. World Best Clients Reward Program. Increase the WT VIP program, increase retail sales, attract retail clients, create brand loyalty, and rewarded your customers. Enter customers for the free VIP account and they will earn up to 10% rebate on all their purchase. Earn your way. GWT offers many ways to get paid. One-on-one group marketing or internet marketing. No other company offers you more opportunity to make instant cash. At-home designer parties, instant cash and fun, party and make money. Use our lookbook, promote your mail to everyone. On internet web designer parties, earn profits anywhere in the world. With dropship, you get paid in 24 hours. Use technology to market products. GW takes care of everything, including managing your website, processing payments, marketing materials, inventory management, warranties, shipping, packaging, and returns. Retail profits. Simply purchase product at exclusive member price and resell at retail value, earn up to 100% profits. Get started now and receive your $500 bonus shopping spree of POS or Ferry right away. Start promoting your bonus shopping spree and make profits instantly. Here how it's work. It's simple. POS bracelet retail price is $35. Diamond member price is $20. You make $15. Earn lifelong residual income. Building a team and earn forever. Wholesale profits. New BDM products package commission to infinity. Team product sales to infinity. IA program product sales to infinity. Business development check match travel bonuses. Cash and product incentives, luxury vacation and cruises, luxury and exotica bonus programs. Build a global team. Build your $1 million VDM by launching partner VDMs all over the world and enjoy lifelong residual income. Get paid up to 8% lifelong residual commissions on all VDM sales in your team globally. Revolutionary IA program. Lifelong residual income with GWT exclusive IA program. Win-win. Members buy, sell, or save for their favorite goods. You earn monthly residual income. When the members and VIP clients in your team take part in the monthly IA program of $35, $75, $150, it contributes to your team sales and make money. IA is a perfect for retail, bridal, giving, residual income. Business development income, match and travel bonuses. Get rewarded when you help others to earn income. Earn up to 10% income, match and travel bonuses, bonus on first generation VDMs. Also earn 5% income match and travel bonus on second generation VDMs. Diamonds only. Also receive $50 wholesale profit on each personally enrolled VDM. Global revenue sharing. Get your share of 2%, 3%, or 4% of all new package sales around the globe. For example, 100 million in global sales. You can earn your share of 2% of 100 million dollars. $2 million. The Ambassador Cruise. Get qualified to an exclusive cruise vacation. All food, drinks, and accommodations are provided by GWT. Departing April 11, 2016, 5 days, 4 nights. 1 day departs Miami, Florida. 2 days Nassau, Bahamas. 3 days Cocoa Bay, Bahamas. 4 days Key West, Florida. 6 days Miami, Florida. Luxury tips car and more. Get qualified for a 5 stars all-exclusive exotic vacation with flights, food, and accommodations covered by GWT. Get qualified for GWT Luxury and Exotic Car Program. Drive your dream car for 18 months, all paid for by GWT. The BDM packages. The more product sales, the higher the rewards. Retailer $169. Startup bonus 0. Profit margins up to 60%. Max residual income per year $52,000. Silver $560. Startup bonus $585. Profit margins up to 70%. Max residual income per year is $130,000. Blanksten $900. Startup bonus $838. Profit margins up to 80%. Max residual income per year is $260,000. Gold $1,800. Startup bonus is $1,925. Profit margins up to 90%. Max residual income per year is $390,000. Diamond status $3,500. Startup bonus is $5,000. Profit margins up to 100%. Max residual income per year is $1,500,000. Diamond Challenge bonus. Receive $1,000 in bonus product, 400 IA points when your VDM buys and sells. Plus, ano ba yan? 4,500 in products retail within the first 30 days. Oh man. The legendary double IA promotion. It's back. Take advantage of this amazing offer while it lasts. The legendary double IA promotion is back for 2016. Share with your team and your prospect. January 4 to April 7, purchase a diamond package and receive 4,500 in retail value in bonus products. That's a total of up to $9,500 in products retail value. Plan of action. You just heard what an amazing opportunity GW2 can be. Take action today to secure your success. Sign up your free VIP membership and instantly receive a gift certificate. Shop for $600 of your favorite designer goods and receive $300 bonus. Shopping and free shipping worldwide. Launch your Diamond VDM today and receive up to $9,500 product bonus with our Diamond promotion. Get yourself to ambassador status as soon as you can to get qualified for all new ambassador crews. GWT cares. GWT is committed to making a positive impact in the world we live in. GWT has donated to many charities, causes, and disaster relief funds over the past 10 years, including Sick Kids, Can Fund, March of Dimes, CEAS, Haiti 2010, Somalia 2011, Young Street Mission, Rally for Kids and Cancer, Philippines 2013, Nepal 2015. Timing is everything. Imagine if your grandparents had the opportunity to partner up and represent Cartier in 1880s, Gucci in 1921, Chanel in 1890s, Louis Vuitton in 1850s. How wealthy would you be today had they received that call? Your grandparents never received that call, but you did to partner up and represent the world's fastest growing fashion house and fastest expanding DSMLM company. The part of the growth development phase to the billion. See you at the 10th Annual International Convention. The 10th Annual International Convention, the event of the decade, April 7 to 9, 2016 at the International Plaza 655 Dixon Road, Toronto, Ontario. Receive your seat now. Join us in celebration of our 10th anniversary. Welcome to the GWT Global family. Thank you. Back to you, Diplomat Mirasol.
Great job! That's good. Great job, Ate Imelda. Congratulations, and I'm really proud of you. I told you, you can do that. That's normal to have a nervous because it's your first time, but you can do that. And I saw I see some of strong leader or top earners. So I want to call them to share their testimonial or share their 2-minute story. So I want to call first Christine Nickel. Are you there?
Hello, Mirasol. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are in the world. Here's Diplomat Christine from Germany, and I'm really excited to have this opportunity to share my story with you. But first of all, I would like to thank you for doing a great job presenting the Business Opportunity Tour, Imelda. You did a great job for presenting for your first time. And also I want to acknowledge our Ambassador of the Month, Diplomat Mirasol, for doing and hosting this tour for us. Thank you for that. And for all of the listeners that we have here, just want to share to you my story. I joined in GWT last January 2015, and at that time I was working as a full-time manager and working 60, 70 hours a week. And I know that after I saw this opportunity, I decided to join right away because I know I saw the financial freedom and the time freedom that is going to give me. I did and learned and apply what I'm learning from our top leaders, and I'm working together with them very closely so that we can open and expand this business here in Europe and build a strong tier here in Germany as well. And I'm very excited to welcome all of our guests that is here tonight to look at this great opportunity and to welcome you to our GWT family. So that would be it. I know that maybe some of our top leaders is also here, Diplomat Mirasol, so that they can also share their story as well for our listeners to know what this GWT can do for one's life. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and good evening, everyone.
Thank you, Christine. May I call Romar Sebastian? Can you share with us? Romar Sebastian. Hi, Romar. You're unmuted already. Okay. Maybe they have a problem in here. Can I call Teddy Katapang? Can you share with us your 2-minute story, please? Teddy. Okay, I want to share with you first the legendary double IA promotion. This is to become end in this coming April 4. So if you have chance to upgrade your to promote this package to your prospect, tell them that this promotion just on end April 4. So this is a chance to grab the opportunity to get it the more items, because instead you get it the $5,000 shopping spree to become a 9,500 shopping spree. So this double IA is really really great opportunity. This is insane double IA promotion. So if you have a chance to buy the package, you can get it more shopping spree, and you have more jewelries to have. So I wanna call the another luxury consultant, maybe Bits Waller. Bits, can you share with us your testimonial or 2-minute story, please? Hi, Ate Bets. Okay, maybe she's not. Okay, I wanna call Bing. Bing Sia Sigmund, can you share your 2-minute story, please? What happened to you guys?
Can you hear me?
Sorry,
Hello?
yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. My name is Bing Sia Sigmund, luxury consultant from Germany. I joined Global Wealth Trade last October 6, 2014. I've been working in hotel for 10 years now, and I have 2 hours job in the afternoon. After I got divorced, I need to work more harder to support myself. I feel I just live to work and work with my 2 jobs every day. Same routine. Working hard is not enough because month after month, same income. I hate to wake up early in the morning, mostly in winter time, and I hate to have less money that can't afford what I really want in life. I need to do something to change the situation of my life. When I saw my friend diplomat Marisol Fus, her excitement and full of energy talking to me about her business in global wealth trade, so I decided to launch my silver VDM and upgraded to diamond within 21 days. I see the opportunity in global wealth trade that can change my life to a better. I joined Global Wealth Trade because I want to have time and financial freedom, able to quit my jobs, visit and spend more quality time with my parents, and travel the world where I never been before. I rather work 2 to 5 years in the business than to retire from my job broke. In 4 years time or less, I want to retire from my jobs, and I want to share this opportunity to all the people who work hard for a living so that they may have a chance to change their lives too and live their dreams. Go with Diplomat Marisol Fus in a friend's branding party and Filipino community to show the products and took the great opportunity about global wealth trade. Do also my self-study about the business, like watching YouTube video, and even joined the webinar from Canada for the whole month of December 2014. Even I wake up early in the 3 a.m. time, but luckily we have a webinar now in Europe. And attended the 3 boot camps with the 3 top earners visit in Germany: Regional Maria Gadiri, Regional Lior Scaler, and National Ambassador Rene Liao. My business expanded in Germany and Philippines, and I'm looking forward to expand my business in different countries. My vision is to work more harder, more focused and motivated from my whys, so that I can achieve the success of my business and fulfill my dreams and vision in life. My target is to become a diplomat soon and continue working hard for Regional Ambassador, be part of the company 2% global revenue. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Bing, for your 2 minute story. It's really amazing. So I wanna call also one of our luxury consultant in Italy. I see here Renila Garcia. Renila, Renila, are you there? Can you share with us your 2 minute story? Renila? Okay, maybe she's not ready. Okay, we're gonna call Socorro. Socorro Basala. Can you share with us your testimony or your 2 minute story? You unmute. You unmute already. You just click the microphone. Okay, I would like to remind also that if you don't have yet to reserve your for your 10th annual anniversary convention in Canada, so you can reserve. You can reserve because this is an amazing, amazing anniversary. So guys, go the annual anniversary and join with our business partner to attend in this business because this is really amazing and a lot of surprising. So a lot of surprising. So go guys, don't miss this big Antwal International Convention. So I wanna call Renila Garcia. Are you there? Okay. Lilibet, can you share with us your 2 minute story, please? Hi, Lilibet. Lilibet Obrador, can you share your 2 minute story for us? Okay, they have a question. Okay, Imelda Shelke, do you have a question?
No.
Okay. Because I saw you have a raised hand. Okay, maybe it's time to close our webinar. And thank you so much to all of you, all our guests for tonight. If you have a question, you can go the luxury consultant who's gonna invite you tonight to listen this webinar. So thank you so much to all of you, and thank you so much, Imelda Shelke. Great job. This is your first time, but great job. Everything is clear. And thank you so much to all the Luxor consultants to share their testimonial or to share their 2 minute story. They're really inspired. And thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Bye.